Car maintenance basics everyone should know. Question 1. What is the recommended interval for changing your car's oil? Answer. Most manufacturers recommend changing the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Question 2. What does the tire pressure indicator on your car's dashboard mean? Answer. It indicates that one or more of your tires has low pressure and needs to be inflated. Question 3. When should you check your car's tire pressure? Answer. It is recommended to check your tire pressure at least once a month. Question 4. What does the term tread refer to when talking about tires? Answer. Tread refers to the grooved surface on the tire that provides traction and helps with water dispersal. Question 5. What is the purpose of car coolant, antifreeze? Answer. Coolant, antifreeze helps regulate the temperature of the engine and prevents it from overheating or freezing. Question 6. How often should you replace your car's air filter? Answer. It is generally advised to replace the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or once a year. Question 7. What can cause your car's battery to die? Answer. Leaving the lights on, a faulty charging system, or an old battery can cause the battery to die. Question 8. Why is it important to rotate your tires regularly? Answer. Regular tire rotation ensures even wear and extends the lifespan of your tires. Question 9. What should you do if your car's check engine light comes on? Answer. It is recommended to bring your car to a mechanic to diagnose the issue and prevent further damage. Question 10. How often should you replace your windshield wipers? Answer. Windshield wipers should be replaced every 6 months to a year, or when they start leaving streaks. Question 11. What is the purpose of the car's alternator? Answer. The alternator charges the battery and powers the electrical system when the engine is running. Question 12. Why is it important to regularly check and top off your car's fluids? Answer. Checking and topping off fluids, such as engine oil and coolant, helps maintain your car's performance and prevents damage. Question 13. What does the brake warning light on your dashboard indicate? Answer. The brake warning light indicates a problem with your car's braking system, and you should have it inspected immediately. Question 14. Can you briefly explain the purpose of a car's serpentine belt? Answer. The serpentine belt powers various engine components, such as the alternator, water pump, and power steering pump. Question 15. What could be the cause of uneven tire wear? Answer. Improper tire alignment, underinflation, or suspension problems can cause uneven tire wear. Question 16. How often should you replace your car's fuel filter? Answer. The fuel filter should typically be replaced every 20,000 to 40,000 miles, depending on the vehicle and driving conditions. Question 17. What is the purpose of the car's catalytic converter? Answer. The catalytic converter reduces harmful emissions and converts them into less harmful substances before being released into the atmosphere. Question 18. What should you do if you notice your car's engine overheating? Answer. Pull over to a safe location, turn off the engine, and wait for the engine to cool down before adding coolant or seeking assistance. Question 19. What causes a car's brakes to squeak? Answer. Squeaky brakes may be caused by worn brake pads, brake dust, or a lack of lubrication on the brake components. Question 20. What maintenance is involved in keeping a car's battery in good condition? Answer. Keeping the battery terminals clean, checking the fluid level, and ensuring a secure connection can help maintain the battery's condition.